All right, moving on in our series of videos for ChemQuest 27, we're going to look at critical thinking, student responses 9 and 10 from the section that introduces you to a new term called empirical formulas, right? So again, your job as a student is to use all the tools in front of you, not just Mr. Huberberg, not just Mr. Huberberg's videos. Use the information in the ChemQuest, right? And in that information in the ChemQuest, it tells you what empirical formulas are, right? So you should have already read that. And again, hopefully you jotted that down in your notebook so you have that as a reference. So empirical formulas just simply mean taking the lowest whole number ratio for a molecular formula. So for example, boom, right? Critical thinking question number 9, it asks, what is the empirical formula, right? So empirical formula is not the same as molecular formula of a compound whose percent composition is 92.2% carbon and 7.8% hydrogen. So in this case, we're looking at these examples right here. C6H6, C4H4, and then C6H6 again, right? So the empirical formula is just simply talking about the ratio, not the actual number in the molecule, but the ratio of carbon to hydrogen. So in this case, our empirical formula would be 1 to 1. For every 1 carbon, there's 1 hydrogen. So it's just going to be CH, indicating a 1 to 1 ratio. All right? So that's how we do an empirical formula. Now, for number 10, it says verify the empirical formula for hexine is CH2. All right? So hexine, right here, the molecular formula is C6H12. All right? So that is the molecular formula. That's the actual number of carbons and the actual number of hydrogens in one molecule of hexine. All right? Now, empirical formula is asking for the ratio of carbon to hydrogen, which is just going to be for every 1 carbon, there are in fact 2 hydrogens. And an easy way to do that would be to just go 12 divided by 6 is 2, 6 divided by 6 is 1. But again, we don't write ones